Hey team, it's 6 a.m. on a lovely Saturday morning. We're about to head off for a bit of a hunt and a fish. We're going to try and get some snapper. We're heading off Matakana. We might take a long line. We'll see if we're going to get some snapper. Jetski's ready to go. Truck's ready to go. So let's get some gas, get into it. Wish us luck. Cheers. So here we are at the boat ramp, and this is young Matt. He's getting his shit set up for the day so he can go slaughter some fish. And here we've got Brent. I haven't seen Brent for a while. And how you doing? Good. Say hi to YouTube. So we're gonna head out for a bit of a hunt with, you know, with a couple of really nice skis and stuff. So if you're into jetski fishing and you like your Yamahas or you like your seadoo fishpros or whatever, just get on a ski and get out there. It's worth it. So here we are out in the harbour. And here's a couple of skis. Going for a cruise in the harbour. Up to the camera. Oh, nice. Now I throw mine up. So, best night, eh?
Yes, you do.
And we're heading out there. So, looking for a great day, having some fun in the sun. So we'll see you out there. Well, today was a bit of a bust, really. We're out nice and early, tried it low in shallows for some snapper. Didn't manage to get any snapper. I dropped long line, it's my insurance, to make sure I get some fish. And managed to pick up 5 in total. So they're in the chili bin and the back of the ski and the slurry. So bad little fishes. Gotta feed the family, keep them happy. So it's only fish that were picked up on a fishing line. It was a micro drip. You never know. When they fish, they fish. When the fish are hungry, they fish. They bite. Sorry. And when they're not, they just stop. It's good to catch up with Cam. Brent and Matt out in the water. It's nice to be out in the harbour, you know, in the ocean, just see life. It's a great place to be. So the lads are pick up the gear and we're going to head back in and call it a day. And to be fair, it's 11:30 in the morning, so we've got the whole afternoon to go and dig up a pool. I'm really looking forward to that, as you can imagine. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, leave a comment and subscribe. Cheers. It's not a bad little hauling. I actually got 5 and gave my mate Cam one because he came out fishing and didn't catch anything. So good day out, time to clean up, have a beer, have a good night. Cheers.